Hello, I'm Paolo and I'm working on the project 3D printing coronary arteries. In this project we focus on the use and the continuous development of a coronary artery 3D model for the use in basic research on cardiovascular diseases. We know a lot today about the cardiovascular system, but of course there is still something that we miss, and this is due to the extreme complexity of the human body. As you know, in basic research, in vitro modeling is mainly based on in-flask cell culture up to now, and this is of course the golden standard, but it's also quite far from the real anatomy and physiology that we encounter in our body. For this reason, in the experimental cardiology lab of the University of Ferrara, we are using bioprinting technologies to develop a new 3D model that help us to reconstruct the physiological architecture of a blood vessel. If you don't know, bioprinter are 3D printer capable to work with hydrogel and alive cells that composes our body. 3D print a vessel-like structure can be quite challenging, and it means working sterility, tuning pressure and temperature and other settings to handle the so delicate living cells. But yeah, challenges are quite common in research, so it's very important to find new solutions every time. And now we can better study the interaction that occurs between different stimuli, components and cells that compose this tissue. This new kind of approach is very important for basic research because it permits to deepening inside the cell-to-cell dialogue comprehension, better simulating what happens in the real environment compared to the classical in vitro model, and also give us a model that is more tunable and more ethic, respect the animal experimentation. These new kind of 3D models are already becoming the future in several research topics for basic research, and we are very proud to be part of this transformation. I really hope to see you here in Ferrara to join this project and work together.